The 2026 Volvo EX60 might be one of the smartest electric SUVs coming to market, but it could also become one of the easiest to regret buying if you don't understand its compromises. Before you put down a deposit, there are 7 ownership concerns that deserve serious attention. Why this car matters. The mid-sized luxury electric SUV segment is becoming brutally competitive in the United States. Buyers now have more choices than ever, from Tesla, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Genesis, Cadillac, and Rivian. That's exactly where the 2026 Volvo EX60 enters the fight. Replacing one of Volvo's best-selling SUVs with an all-electric successor is a huge move. Expectations are incredibly high, because the outgoing XC60 built its reputation on comfort, safety, and understated luxury. The EX60 promises improved technology, faster charging, better software, and the latest EV platform. But here's the honest question. Does all that technology actually translate into a better ownership experience? Or does it introduce new headaches that buyers won't discover after delivery? Let's go through the biggest concerns. Problem number 1, first-year model risk. Whenever manufacturers launch an entirely new vehicle on a new platform, there are unknowns. That doesn't automatically mean the EX60 will be unreliable, but history shows that first-year vehicles often receive software fixes, hardware revisions, and production updates during the first couple of years. Electric vehicles rely on software far more than traditional SUVs. Everything from charging to climate control, battery management, driver assistance, and infotainment depend on thousands of lines of code working together. Early adopters sometimes become unofficial beta testers. If you're the type who keeps a vehicle for 10 years, waiting another model year could reduce that risk.
Problem number 2. Software can be both a strength and a weakness. Volvo has made huge progress with Google-based infotainment. It's clean, fast, easy to learn, but owners increasingly expect software to behave like a smartphone. Unfortunately, vehicles aren't smartphones. Over-the-air updates can improve features, but they can also introduce temporary bugs. Unexpected glitches, frozen screens, connection issues, or features behaving differently after updates remain a reality across nearly every premium EV brand. The EX60 will likely continue depending heavily on software updates throughout its life. For tech enthusiasts, that's exciting. For buyers who simply want everything to work every morning, it may become frustrating. Problem number 3. Charging still depends on your lifestyle. Fast charging keeps improving every year, but convenience depends less on charging speed and more on where you actually live. Home charging completely changes EV ownership. Apartment residence? Not always. Public charging availability varies dramatically across different parts of America. Weekend travel can still require planning. Holiday travel can include charging queues. Cold weather may reduce available range. None of these issues are unique to Volvo. They're simply realities that every EV buyer should honestly consider before replacing a gasoline SUV. Problem number 4. Luxury repairs could be expensive. Volvo has built a strong reputation for safety engineering. Unfortunately, advanced safety technology also means advanced repair costs. Radar sensors, camera systems, LED lighting, large center displays, driver assistance hardware, even relatively minor accidents may require expensive recalibration after repairs. Insurance companies have already seen repair costs rise on many modern EVs because replacing technology is often more expensive than replacing sheet metal. Buying a luxury EV means budgeting beyond the monthly payment. Insurance, repair costs, and specialized service all deserve attention.
Problem number 5. Depreciation remains a question mark. Luxury EV depreciation has surprised many buyers over the last few years. Rapid technology improvements can make older EVs feel outdated faster than traditional vehicles. Battery improvements, charging improvements, software improvements, they all move incredibly quickly. Nobody can accurately predict how well the EX60 will hold its value several years from now. Volvo has traditionally retained respectable resale value, but the premium EV market remains unpredictable. If resale matters to you, leasing may deserve serious consideration. Problem number 6. Minimalist interiors aren't for everyone. Volvo's Scandinavian design is beautiful. It's calm, elegant, premium. But some buyers miss physical buttons. Climate controls integrated into the touchscreen may not feel as intuitive while driving. Simple dashboards look modern inside the showroom. Daily use tells a different story. Adjusting settings through menus can become distracting compared to reaching for dedicated controls. Minimalism looks fantastic. Whether it feels practical every day depends entirely on your preferences. Problem number 7. The competition is stronger than ever. Perhaps the biggest challenge facing the EX60 isn't actually the vehicle itself, it's the competition. Buyers shopping around this price point will compare it against several excellent electric SUVs. Many competitors already have established charging networks, proven ownership records, stronger performance numbers, or larger cargo capacity. The EX60 doesn't have to be the fastest or the cheapest, but it does need to clearly justify why someone should choose it over increasingly capable alternatives. That's a difficult challenge in today's EV market. So, who should buy the 2026 Volvo EX60? The EX60 makes the most sense for buyers who prioritize safety, refined comfort, premium interior quality, and a calm driving experience over outright performance. If you already have reliable home charging and mostly drive predictable daily routes, this could become an excellent luxury family SUV. It's especially appealing if you appreciate understated Scandinavian design rather than flashy styling. Who should skip it? You may want to wait if you're uncomfortable buying a first-year model. Skip it if you frequently take long road trips without dependable charging options. You should also think twice if long-term resale value is your top priority, or if you prefer traditional physical controls over touchscreen-focused interiors. And if you're expecting sports car acceleration above everything else, there may be better choices in this segment. Final verdict. The 2026 Volvo EX60 doesn't look like a bad vehicle, far from it. It looks like a thoughtful luxury SUV designed around comfort, safety, and intelligent technology. But great engineering doesn't eliminate real ownership concerns. Software maturity, charging convenience, luxury repair costs, and first-year uncertainty are all legitimate factors buyers should weigh before signing paperwork. For some families, the EX60 could become one of the best premium electric SUVs available. For others, waiting another model year or comparing more competitors first may ultimately be the smarter decision. The best car isn't always the newest one. It's the one that fits your lifestyle with the fewest compromises. If you found this honest review helpful, consider subscribing for more unbiased reviews focused on real ownership, long-term value in the vehicles that deserve your money.